Welcome to Exam Sale. In this video we will break down the syllabus for the Cisco Designing Cisco Enterprise Networks exam, ENSLD, so you know exactly what to study and how much emphasis to place on each area. Overview of the ENSLD exam shows 5 domains with exact weights. Advanced Addressing and Routing Solutions is 25%, Advanced Enterprise Campus Networks is 25%, WAN for Enterprise Networks is 20%, Network Services is 20%, and Automation is 10%. This exam focuses on design skills across routing, campus architecture, WAN transitions, services such as COS and multicast, and automation for modern enterprise networks. Advanced Addressing and Routing Solutions carries 25% of the exam and focuses on designing structured addressing and complex multi-protocol routing environments. This domain is rated hard, requires about 40 hours of study, and is assessed with conceptual and scenario-based questions. You will learn advanced EIGRP design including neighbor relationships, stub and summarization strategies, path selection and metric tuning, and scaling EIGRP for fast convergence. You will also cover scalable OSPF and ISA's design with area hierarchy, LSA filtering and summarization, and enterprise BGP topics like IBGP versus eBGP, route reflectors, community-based policies and multi-protocol BGP. Advanced Enterprise Campus Networks is also 25% and focuses on high-availability campus architecture and software-defined access design. This medium difficulty domain expects around 35 hours of study and uses conceptual and scenario-based assessment methods. Topics include Campus Layer 2 and Layer 3 design for modular architectures, STP optimization and first hop redundancy, plus VRF-like considerations. You will also design Cisco SD access elements such as control, border and edge nodes, Lisp control plane behavior, VXLAN data plane encapsulation and policy-based segmentation with SGTs, along with enterprise wireless design for high-density, controller redundancy and clean air planning. WAN for Enterprise Networks represents 20% and focuses on transitioning from traditional WAN and VPN technologies to Cisco SD-WAN solutions. This hard domain requires about 30 hours of focused study and is assessed with scenario-based questions that test migration and operational choices. Expect to design SD-WAN planes and deployment models including V-Edge and C-Edge, OMP-based overlays, direct internet access and cloud on-ramp, and application-aware routing policies. You will also cover site-to-site VPN and MPLS design such as GET-VPN, Flex VPN and DMVPN, MPLS Layer 3 VPN architecture, ISEC key management, ICAV2 benefits and WAN backup strategies. Network Services is 20% and focuses on quality of service, multicast and security service placement across the network. This medium difficulty area needs about 25 hours of study and combines conceptual and scenario-based assessments to evaluate end-to-end design thinking. You will learn cost classification and marking at the edge, queuing and scheduling like CBWFQ and LLQ, traffic shaping and HQ-OSH for voice and video, and methods to maintain cost consistency across wired and wireless domains. Multicast design covers PIM sparse mode and source-specific models, RP placement and redundancy, IGMP and MLD design, and multicast over WAN tunnels, while network management topics include SNMP, NetFlow, DNA center telemetry, secure management access, COP and AAA plus firewall and IPS placement. Automation is 10% and focuses on network programmability tools and model-driven telemetry to support modern operations. This medium difficulty domain requires about 15 hours of study and is assessed with conceptual and scenario-based questions that check both design and integration skills. You will study RESTCONF and NETCONF protocols, Yang data modeling, publish-subscribe telemetry, API-based monitoring and Cisco DNA Center Intent APIs, and learn how to design automation workflows using Python and API-driven tooling. Understanding how automation impacts monitoring, configuration and assurance is essential for modern enterprise designs. That wraps up the ENSLD syllabus overview. Use the domain weights and estimated study hours to plan your prep. Focus on scenario-based practice and design labs, and review integration points so you can demonstrate end-to-end design reasoning on exam day.